Today is the day you take control of your dreams. So let your creative side run wild. Don't settle for mediocre. Rethink your limits. Create a tomorrow you want to live in. You want your dreams to come true. Make your limits disappear. How to cherish a long-time love. How do you save a life? How do you design the future? You know you can level up. You know how to get there. But you don't have to go at it alone. There's nothing old school about expertise. Here we are. We're always there when the good stories are made. We're always there when the stakes are high. You see, the point is, the question is not if we are there. The question is, will you be there?